Hey there! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your Squarespace website, but keep your domain in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing you this on web. First, head to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard with all your sites listed as preview tiles. Click on the site you want to cancel. The site editor or dashboard for that specific site will load. Now click on the settings icon, that's the gear icon, in the left sidebar. Then click Billing from the menu. The billing panel will open, showing all your active subscriptions. Under the subscription section, find and click on your website subscription. It'll be labeled either website or store, depending on your plan. The subscription details page opens, showing your plan, renewal date, and payment information. Click the Cancel Subscription button. A cancellation flow dialog opens. If you're on an annual plan and within 14 days of your initial payment, you'll see options to either retain access until the end of your billing cycle or get an immediate refund. If you're on a monthly plan, you'll just retain access until the end of the cycle. Choose whichever option applies to you and click Continue. A feedback form appears asking why you're canceling. Select a reason from the drop-down menu, then click Next. Here's the important part. A panel labeled Your Other Subscriptions will appear. This shows your domain subscription and any other active services like Google Workspace or email campaigns. This is where you confirm that your domain subscription will remain active. Squarespace explicitly states here that these subscriptions will not be canceled automatically. Your domain stays registered and continues to auto-renew on its renewal date. Click Continue after reviewing that panel. You'll see a final confirmation screen. Click the Final Cancel Subscription button to confirm. You'll get a confirmation message, and you should receive a confirmation email immediately. Your website will stay live until the end of your current billing period, but your domain remains fully active and will keep auto-renewing. After your website subscription expires, you can still log in and access the Domains panel to manage your domain or connect it to another site. The domain stays linked to your canceled site until you actively move it, forward it, or point it somewhere else. You can connect it to another Squarespace site, transfer it to a different domain provider, or just keep it registered with Squarespace. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.